Hi guys, happy Sunday. Hope you all had a lovely week. Sorry, I'm just gonna get comfortable on this this chair. So I've just come back from gym. The gym. I have put this shirt on to try and look half decent, when in fact, underneath it, I still have all the clothes I just had on the gym, including my sports bra, my joggers. But you know, gotta try and make a little bit of an effort for you, don't you? And why am I doing this like manly voice today? Anyway, I did a quick, oh, let's get my star in there. Did a quick poll on my Instagram on what makeup look you wanted to see today, and it was between my everyday makeup look, which actually I'm calling my 5-minute face because that is what it is, and a review of all of Benefit's professional products, because I know a lot of you get confused about what each one does and how they're different to each other. So if you still want that one, comment below and I'll do that next week, either in one of my Learn with Lisa tutorials or in a standard video. Now, firstly, talking about the Learn with Lisa tutorials, I'm so thrilled with your reaction to the purple glossy eye that I did last week, and obviously I then filmed it on my main camera and reposted it onto my YouTube video, and it kind of worked and you guys liked it, even though it was a mega long video. You didn't care. So I will keep doing that because I love giving myself extra work, but more importantly I love you guys, so of course I'm going to do it if that is what you want. So that's that. And now let's talk about my 5-minute face. Now firstly, actually, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe now, and also don't forget to turn the notifications on so that you know when my videos are posted, but they are Sunday 5 o'clock, and then the random tutorial ones at any time in the week. You never know when they're coming. But my 5-minute face is literally that. I love my bed. I don't like to kind of get up with like an hour to spare. Like Theo will get up like an hour and a half before work, watch football, have a coffee, have breakfast, get ready, have a shower, all of that, and I'm like, dude, I'm still in bed until literally 15 minutes before the train comes. So I usually like plan what I'm going to wear the day before, and then my makeup literally does take me 5 minutes. And my mega trick for hair is to plait your hair before you go to bed. It doesn't need to be these kind of plaits if you can't do those, these kind of like boxer braids. It can just be a normal plait, because I find that then, either one, you can keep these in for about 3 days. Is this day 3? Thursday, Friday. This is day 4, guys. Day 4. I am going to take them out so you'll see how wavy it is. So you can either keep them in or take them out and your hair will be lovely and wavy. So that's my hair trick, and I'll do that at the end. But firstly, oh, sorry, I've got an itchy nose. I am going to show you how I do my makeup, and it is so quick. So I'm going to try not to talk too much. That's not going to happen, is it? So that you guys can actually see what I'm doing. First things first, primer. I never was a primer girl. I never used to wear it myself. I'd use it on shoots, etc. But since the Professional Pearls come out, I've literally been using it every day. Now, this is a brightening primer. Love the way that I've said I'm not going to talk much, and that's already gone out the window. You can see straight away how that brightens my skin, but more than that, it evens it out, it takes away excess oil, and keeps my makeup in place. So at the moment, I'm using that before I put on my foundation, and I'm absolutely loving it. So that's product number 1. I will list all of the products underneath, as always. Then I'm trying to do this in like real time, but obviously I'm not talking to myself in the mirror as I'm doing my makeup, so it's definitely going to take more than 5 minutes, but you get the point. Foundation, Hello Flawless, it's my favourite. This is not my shade, it's just a much cleaner bottle than the one I actually use. I was like, here it is for the kind of cutaway. Here is the reality. Hello Flawless is a great foundation. You guys, if you've been following me a while, know I use it every single day. I always apply it with a damp beauty blender, just because I find that gives me an even base that is quick to apply. Sometimes if you apply it with a brush, what happens is you get brush strokes on your face, and then that takes a little bit longer to blend, whereas a beauty blender, you can just rub it in and bounce it, and it gives you that beautiful dewy complexion. Next up is Stay Don't Stray Primer. Now I use this as a concealer and a primer. I switch between this and kind of Boing Airbrush, but at the moment I'm back onto this, and I just kind of like chuck it wherever I need to conceal. Just quite a lot of places, isn't it really? But by using one product to multi-use, you save time. And I'm going to take that onto the eyelids too, to even them out, which is actually what it's for, not for all over your face, but it works, so whatevs. Next up is brows, if I can find my brow pencil. This is my main problem in the morning, is that I lose everything. Hold on, I'll be back. I swear I just had it. Oh my god, where's it gone? Found it! It was on my bed, obviously. Okay, so precisely my brow pencil, there it is. My everyday brow pencil, you guys know that. I love it. And I just brush my brows up to start, put them into place, and then take the pencil and draw little hair-like strokes through and lengthen them a bit. Because I have my brows waxed and tinted, whoa, don't want them like that. Because I have my brows waxed and tinted kind of every 4 weeks, that means that I use less product, which is quicker. What is wrong with my voice today? Quicker, mate. Much quicker, mate. Alright? Oh my god. That was Australian, in case any of you didn't guess. Right, brows are done and base is done, and now onto bronzer. I'm using some Hoola. Like, I don't always apply everything in this order, but today I am, so that's how it's going. And I'm just going to dust this onto and under the cheekbones to warm up the complexion. And onto the forehead like this, under the jawline and down the neck. Now some blusher. Now you should always wear blusher even if you wear bronzer, because it brightens and gives you that healthy glow, and California is my blusher of the moment. I'm really enjoying this one again. I've always loved it, but now I am genuinely using it every day because it just perks up your complexion. And I just smile and pop it onto my cheeks. Now onto eyes, and they're the thing that take the most time usually, and I do change them a lot, but at the moment, since I kind of did that Learn with Lisa glossy eye tutorial of purple, I have been going to this purple in the Urban Decay Vice Limited Reloaded 2 palette, and it is this one here, and it's called Asphyxia. And I've been going to this one a lot because it really just brightens the eyes, and I'm not doing anything special. I'm taking a fluffy eyeshadow brush, this is Crown Brush C512, and I just dust it over my eye like this. Now I know purple is kind of like quite a vivid colour, but it's been really miserable outside, and this has just been cheering up my day every time I look in the mirror. So that's why it's my go-to at the moment. See, keep your eyes open, just dust backwards and forwards, just going slightly in and above the socket. And it doesn't need to take ages. It can take you like 30 seconds and the eyes are done, you know. And then your mascara, and for me at the moment it is, of course, they're real. Just do my... Do you know, actually, I'm not going to do my bottom lashes because I haven't been doing my bottom lashes much at the moment. I've just been doing my top lashes, and that is the truth. And that is probably, I don't know why, maybe I've just been a bit lazy, but I think it's just because it makes my eyes look really, really awake and open. So, top lashes only. Do you see what I mean? Just really awake by not putting it underneath. And then to finish, I'm taking some of the Pore cream, and I've been using this as obviously a lip balm on my lips, but also as a bit of a highlighter, just by patting it on the cheeks. It's just super quick, gives you that little glow without giving you too much glow, which I think is perfect for every day. And for your lips, it just moisturises them. That is literally my 5-minute face. And then what I do is take my hair down, like so, because it's going to be really wavy because of the fact that I've kept it in for 4 days. Will it be? Maybe it won't be. Oh no, it is, it is. And then I just kind of like turn it upside down. Whoop. Rub my fingers through it, flip it back, and that is my hair for the day too. How quick is that? So that is literally my 5-minute face. This is my everyday makeup at the moment. It's really fresh, it's bright because of the purple, it's not too heavy, it's quick, it's easy, anyone can do it. You can use any colour eyeshadow you want, but I'm loving this purple at the moment. And that's it, guys. Easy, right? easy. So let me know if you want me to do that professional video for you next week. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and don't forget to tag me in your recreations, because I love seeing when you guys recreate my makeup looks as well. But for now, I'm gonna go because it is Sunday and I've got to tidy up my whole house. Oh, I was too hungover yesterday to do it, but today I'm not, so I haven't got any excuse. But for now, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.